Well, I made a slide hammer for about $8, so I couldn't get this oil seal out. I just had my vice grips and I was pulling and tugging and it was not coming. After about 30 or 45 minutes, I said screw it. I went up to the hardware store and then I bought this 5/8 inch threaded rod, and I bought a nut, and that was 85 cents, and then it was like $6.99 for the threaded rod. I screwed that in. Make sure that you test out to make sure you get the right size threaded rod. Unscrew the back of your vice grips and then just slip the nut over that just so you get the right size. But I got the threaded rod, came home, tightened it down onto the oil seal, and then I just took a pipe wrench and then on the third knock, pop free. And you can see it right there. So if you need a slide hammer, super simple, easy way to do it. And you've got to make sure you can grip it though, but this is a nice gripping slide hammer. So just make sure you get that bolt put back into the end of your vice grips and you get everything cleaned up. So hopefully this helps in case you need to make yourself a gripping slide hammer. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.